So that's what that one is. Now I'm going to tell you about the incredible world of Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin is something that is very, very new to me. As a matter of fact, when this product was introduced to us, and the owners of the company actually talked to us a little bit before it hit the marketplace and told us about what it was. You know, Patty didn't even know what Bitcoin was. So Bitcoin is cryptocurrency, and USI Tech has come up with an incredible program that it has just really, really changed the way we do things. So right now, what I'd like to introduce to you is our brand new product, and we call it the BTC Package. And in this package, you can participate in the incredible profits of Bitcoin mining. Let me show you how it works, okay? You buy the BTC package, and the cost of that package is 50 euro. Today's rate's 50 euros, somewhere around $53, $55, somewhere about that. So that's what a BTC package costs, okay? You must purchase your BTC package with Bitcoin. You can't buy it for cash. You got to have Bitcoin in your own personal Bitcoin wallet, and you purchase this package with Bitcoin. The package will run for 140 days. Now, when I say this, let me kind of explain that to you so people understand what I'm talking about. You buy a BTC package for 50 euros, okay? So you have bought that package. You don't have the 50 euros anymore, okay? You paid 50 euros. You now own this package. This package runs in our mining operation for 140 market days. That's about 6 months, a little bit more than 6 months, just a few days more than 6 months. So when we say 140 market days, that's days that the market is open. Okay. You will receive for owning this package an average of 1% per day as return of capital. Now, when I say you receive that every day in your back office, USI, for every Bitcoin package that you have, it puts 1% or an average of 1% back every single day. Now, we are on day 13 of this program, and it has averaged 1% over those 13 days, and there's no reason that we think that it will not continue to average 1% over those days. Now, what does that mean? That means that after 140 days, you'll have 140% of your capital back. 140%, which means you have a 40% return on your investment. Wow. If you take that out to a whole year, that's just a little less than 80% return on your investment over a 1 year period. Okay, now the actual values do vary a little bit. I have to say that there is an asterisk up there, so I'm putting that down at the bottom, that the actual values, this is an average of 1% a day. Okay, now over the first 13 days, it has averaged that 1%, and it's sitting a little bit above that 1% average right now over the 13 days. Let me give you an example of how this works, because I know this is kind of a new concept to a lot of people. Let's say you purchase 20 Bitcoin packages for 1,000 euro. Now you see I did 20 Bitcoin packages 1,000 euro only because they're nice round even numbers, okay? The runtime of those packages is 140 working days, okay? So that means the return of a capital over 140 working days. The Bitcoin value at the end of 140 days is 1,400 euro, or 40% more than that 1,000 that you put in. So that's how this works. But remember, it puts the money into your account every day, 1% a day, okay? So in this case, it would be putting $10 in Bitcoin into your personal wallet every single day. Again, I'm just going to review this one more time. You have a daily payment of the return of capital. That means every single day we put that money into your wallet. You can withdraw that money on your returns and your commissions from selling Bitcoin, and I'm going to talk about commissions when I talk about the pay plan, but you can take that money out and spend it, or your commissions and returns can be automatically reinvested into the BTC package. Now, when we put them back into the BTC package, we're going to take advantage of something that is absolutely incredible. It's called the compound interest effect. Let me tell you how the compound interest effect works, okay? Again, I'm going to go back to that same example we had a few minutes ago. We bought 20 BTC packages for €1,000. And instead of taking that money out and going to Starbucks and spending it every day, we're going to go to the automatic rebuy option, and we're going to rebuy over 280 working days, which is a little more than a year, okay? It's a year and about a week, a little bit more than that, okay? So on day one, what do you have? 20 Bitcoin packages. And what's the value of that investment? €1,000, right? You bought them for €20. You own now 20 packages. The value of that investment is €20. Now, if you hit that little button and you rebuy every time your back office has €50, it's going to buy you a new package, okay? Every time your back office does that, you're going to reinvest it right back into this program. By day 140, you have 78 Bitcoin packages for a value of €25.54, €2,554. And guys, you need to put your seatbelts on right now, because when I hit this next button, you're not going to believe what you're going to see. On day 280, those 20 packages have grown to 126 packages, and you have a value of investment of €5,047. This is just something that is out of this world, and we are so excited about this product, and we're so excited how this product is working for us. Okay, there are some purchase limits to this product, because I know some people are on the line right now. I know Timmy's out there and Jay's out there, and they're saying, how many of these things can I buy? Well, you're limited to buy 200 Bitcoin packages in a day, 400 in a week, 500 in a month, and the maximum that you can own over time is 2,000 BTC packages. Now, before I move on to the pay plan, I just want to tell one quick little story. I know I'm going a little over tonight, but I'm going to tell one quick little story. My 18-year-old high school or college daughter, she's a freshman in college at Westchester University, we purchased one full Bitcoin, or $1,200 in Bitcoin packages. That means she bought 22 Bitcoin packages on day one, okay? 22 packages on day one. We are currently on day 13, and I just looked at her back office before we came on the air tonight. She has 36 Bitcoin packages just from reinvesting that money. She is well on her way to paying for her entire college education just by investing in this program. Okay.
Okay, there you have it, guys. So you'll find a link in the description box below this video to take you to the site, or you can, click that link or visit zenbitcoin.uzi-tech.info. Just type that into your browser bar, or once again, just click the link below this video, and you'll be fine. Cheers for now.